Subscribe to our channel at Goodwill Groups of School.
Good day to you, my students. I'm Miss Fagwa Hebo, as you know. I'm here to teach you another aspect of English language. It is a continuation of the previous class we had. But before I introduce this fresh one, I cannot but remind you quickly of what we did then. I taught you morphemes. Morphemes are the bit of language which is seen as the smallest bit of language on the grammatical rank scale. A broad categorization of morpheme was equally studied as free and bound morphemes respectively. A free morpheme was defined then as a morpheme that can stand on its own and enjoy an independent meaning, while a bound morpheme has to be added to a free for it to convey meaning. Examples in isolation were cited, but today we are to concentrate majorly on the divisions of bound morpheme. Mind you, I drew a diagram for you which displays these three major divisions as prefixes, infixes, and suffixes. Explanation of each type will be given now, and numerous examples will as well be cited just to validate my claim on morpheme. A bound morpheme is that type of morpheme, or otherwise known as affixation or affixes. So you can alternatively use bound morpheme or affixes. You can as well call it affixation. Bound morphemes are the types of morpheme that must be attached to the root, or otherwise known as the nucleus or the base form of the word. So bound morphemes are of three types. We have prefixes, we have infixes, and we have suffixes. Pre means before. Any morpheme that comes before the base form of our word is known as prefix, while the one that is inserted between the two, between one bound morpheme and free morpheme, is called the infix, while the one that comes after or succeeds them is called suffixes. Some authors are of the opinions that prefixes can be alternatively used as preposition, while infixes is otherwise known as position itself, while suffixes are as well known as postposition. Now let us study together the divisions of bound morphemes. Sorry? I made a mistake here. Let me read it for you and write what is proper there. These are the plural form of each of them. So if once I obliterate this ES from it, we have it as singular. But because there are many, that is why I added the ES. The same thing is applicable to this, ditto to the third one we have here. So prefixes, as you've been earlier told at the beginning of this class, are words or are morphemes put before the bound morpheme we are talking about. Now let us consider the following examples as prefixes. Examples are we have I plus regular. It gives us irregular. We have I am plus balance. We have imbalance. We have IN plus sufficient. We have insufficient. We have N plus joy. This gives us enjoy. And we have inter. If we have inter and we add it to nation, it gives us internation. So I told you when I first started that the prefixes precede or come before our base form of the word. These are the base forms of what we have here. We have regular, we have balance, we have sufficient, we have joy, we have nation. Each of these word examples can stand on its own and enjoy independent meaning. While these bond morphemes as I have, I am, I can, he had, and inter cannot stand on their own unless they are attached or affixed to a nucleus. Now let me rub the board for you and write the definition, put the definition and examples of infixes for you as I have already done for you under prefixes. The examples will be listed beneath. Examples of infixes. We have one, we have faithfulness plus full plus ness. So we have faithfulness as a word here. These are infix. We have Africanism, Africa plus ni plus zim. It gives us Africanism. We have another word example here. We have education. Let me first demarcate it as I've done here before I write it in full. We have educational. Let me make it educational. Education. Now plus E, we have educationally. Is our infix. Here we have another example as affectionately plus 8 plus E. These are our infix. We have affectionately. The part of word underlined here, which are bond morphemes, are the one inserted in between one free and one bond morphemes. So all these examples are seen as infixes because they are put in between or inserted in between one free morpheme and one bond morpheme. Let me do what I did the other time for me to write the definition as well as the word example of successes for you. Now, suffixes. Suffixes comes after these two. That is, it succeeds, as the name connotes, it succeeds the two. It is always located at the end of our word. So it appears or occurs at the word final, while emphasis comes at the word initial or word medially, while prefix itself comes at the word initial. This one comes at the middle of the word or word medially, while this one comes at the final stage of the word. Now these are suffixes. Suffixes are the bunch morphemes which come at the word final. Prefixes, I told you them, comes at the word initial. Infixes comes at the word media, while suffixes come at the word final. So the final stage, these are the suffixes of this word, the bunch morpheme inflicted or added on each of these word examples. We have danger that stand on its own and exhibits a particular meaning. This one expresses a meaning as well, the desire. Good prefixes, as you have already been told, occur at the word initial. Infixes is inserted or put in between one free morpheme and one bunch morpheme, while suffixes occurs at the word final. Now we are concentrating on the suffix which comes after these two must have been written. Now we have, or it might not have infix. So we have the examples of suffixes we are talking about now, which come after the root of a word, the base of a word, otherwise known as the nucleus or the stem. So we have danger, which has its own meaning. The desire constitutes its meaning. Good exhibits a definite meaning, while sin as well is meaningful, and love is meaningful to our hearing as well. So we have us here, we have Hebrew, we have ness, we have in, that is ing, we have ly. These examples of bunch morpheme categorized under suffixes must be added to a word to enjoy independent meaning, because each of them has its own definite meaning, but none of them enjoys independent meaning unless they are added to the base form of every word. Now, I want to believe that you have already known the meaning of morphemes, the two divisions of morpheme as free and bond, and the subdivision of bond morpheme itself as affixation or affixes, which has been treated today. All these affixes, prefixes, infixes, and suffixes have been treated today. Till next time when we meet, I stay safe.
Please subscribe to our channel at Goodwill Groups of School, a bargain.